Cash App founder Bob Lee was growing aggressive and erratic across a drug-fueled bender in the days before he was murdered, his accused killer's glamorous sister testified during his murder trial. He was all over the place. Aggressive, said Khazar Elyassnia during her third day on the stand Tuesday. Cocaine and ketamine. He was definitely under the influence, the 38-year-old said, recalling how Lee, 43, came over to her apartment at 5 a.m. to do drugs days before his April 4, 2023, murder. Elyassnia, who was allegedly having an affair with Lee amidst a sex-swinging social scene, said she believed he had been up all night drinking and drugging, according to Courthouse News Service. Her brother, 40-year-old Nima Momeni, is accused of stabbing Lee to death in the early hours of April 4. Prosecutors have argued Momeni stabbed Lee to death, thinking he had sexually assaulted his sister and supplied her with drugs. But Elyassnia said any claims about an affair with Lee, let alone an assault at his hands, are false. LOL, you dumb FK, Bob never touched me, no one did, she wrote in a text to her brother shortly after Lee's murder, revealed in court Monday. Earlier text messages from the day before the murder, however, suggest something more salacious. Coming with a tank. Gonna cost you a blowjob though, Lee texted the married Elyassnia, referring to nitrous oxide, commonly used as a party drug known as whippets. Elyassnia denied Lee meant anything seriously sexual though, claiming he only acted inappropriately sometimes. Later that night Elyassnia wound up with Lee at the home of their drug dealer, and after Lee left Elyassnia testified that she thought she was drugged and sexually assaulted by the dealer. Her brother and husband picked her up from the dealer's house and on the car ride back told them what happened, she said. At any point in that conversation, did you mention Bob Lee? Asked Momeni's defense attorney, Sam Zangana, according to Courthouse News. No, the sister replied, adding that she never told her brother Lee did anything to her. Momeni's defense has argued Lee was dangerously inebriated and attacked Momeni with a knife, and Lee was stabbed in the scuffle. The two had hung out with each other the day before, Elyassnia even said they liked each other, but within an hour of leaving her downtown San Francisco apartment together in the early hours of April 4, Lee turned up blocks away with fatal stab wounds and soon bled out. Elyassnia has tossed the trial into some confusion since she first took the stand last Thursday. Despite Momeni's defense openly admitting he killed Lee, Elyassnia opened her testimony by claiming he never did it. Tales of the drug-fueled sexualized San Francisco social scene she and Lee participated in, known as the lifestyle, has also drawn the ire of Lee's ex-wife Krista Lee, who defense attorneys claim refers to Elyassnia as the whore of High Tower, according to Cron 4. The ex-wife told reporters outside the courtroom Tuesday that Elyassnia was trying to make herself the victim in the case,